Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change alarm sound on Android. The first thing you do is tap on clock from the app menu. Tap on clock. So once it opens up to alarm. We have alarm, wall clock, stopwatch and timer. So it's alarm that we need, and then you choose the alarm you want to set. Let's say you want to set this one, so choose the time. Let's say the time you want to set it for is 5:30 a.m. Then you set all this. The next thing you're going to do is alarm sound. Tap on alarm sound, and now it is on. So you tap on the ringtone, and you have all these options over here. You can decide to choose whichever one you want. So let us say I want to use, instead of bubble, which is the normal one, I want to use dream space. So I tap on dreamscape, and then once I'm through, I tap on, I can decide to even add more ringtone by tapping on the plus icon. So I'll see from my, it's a sound picker, it takes from my playlists or music files, so I can choose the one I want. So that is it. So let's say I want to pick, you decide what you want. It's as simple as that.